akaba n'ubundi yadufashe gutanga umwenda w'umuhondo indabaro irava muri Prime Insurance ari kumwe na Leniro amashikuru y'umusore umwanya mwiza akaba mugejeje indabo za Bella Flowers ndetse na
Benediction Igniter
abasore ba Sempoma babiri bamaze kujya kuri podium mukuru uyu munsi amashi menshi cyane kuri Eritrea national team.
Russian Yevgeny Fedorov on Sunday took the overall lead in the first stage of the Tour du Rwanda, following an uphill sprint win in 2 hours, 44 minutes, and 59 seconds on a total distance covering 144.4 kilometers between Kigali and Rwamagana Kigali. Fedorov's prowess in uphill sprints and his uncanny ability to stay upright shone through as the peloton entered the 5 final kilometer, followed by most of the main contenders, including Eritrean Mulu Burhan Henok, who arrive in second position in 2 hours, 45 minutes, and 14 seconds. There's battle going on constantly, and that makes it more stressful, the 20-year-old Russian road racing cyclist told reporters ahead of the second stage on Monday, which will cover a total distance of 120.5 kilometers between Kigali and Huye, a small city in the south of the country. The results of Stage 1 of Tour du Rwanda 2020, the standings look like this. First, Yevgeny Fedorov, Russia, 2 hours 44 minutes 59 seconds, Vino Astana Motors, Kazakhstan Club. Second, Mulu Burhan Henok, Eritrea, 2 hours 45 minutes 14 seconds, UC Pro Team Nippo Delco 1 Provence, French club. Third, Binyam Gur Mihailu, Eritrea, 2 hours 45 minutes 17 seconds, UC Pro Team Nippo Delco 1 Provence, French club. And the best team of Tour du Rwanda Stage 1 is Eritrean national cycling team,